If your Windows PC is feeling, well, kind of slow, I'm going to show you a fantastic pro-level fix that takes less than a minute and can make it feel brand new again. We're going to free up your computer's working memory, its RAM, and get things running nice and smooth really fast.
We've all been there, right? You're just staring at that spinning wheel, waiting for your computer to catch up with what you did like 5 seconds ago. That frustrating lag, that's exactly what we're tackling today, and believe me, the fix is surprisingly simple.
So you're trying to get some work done, right? Maybe you're switching between a few different apps, and your computer just can't seem to keep up. That sluggish, totally unresponsive feeling is a huge productivity killer. So let's take a look at what's causing it, and then how to fix it.
Now, our secret weapon for this whole operation is a really powerful tool that's already built right into Windows. It's called the Task Manager. You can think of it as the command center for your entire PC's performance.
Okay, let's just dive right in. The absolute fastest, most direct way to bring up the Task Manager is with this fantastic little keyboard shortcut. Control plus Shift plus Escape. Just press them all at once. It is so much faster than searching around for it, and it's a shortcut that pretty much every pro user knows by heart. So here's the deal. Your computer has a limited amount of working memory, and we call that RAM. Some programs are absolute memory hogs. I'm looking at you web browsers with a million tabs open. They just gobble up that limited RAM, leaving less for everything else, and that is exactly what causes that system-wide slowdown.
So, now that we understand the why behind the slowdown, let's get to the fun part, the fix. We are going to reclaim your PC's speed with a super simple 3-step process, all done right inside the Task Manager. All right, with Task Manager open, here's the 3-step fix. First up, head over to the Processes tab. Second, and listen, this is the key part, click the header for the Memory column. This instantly sorts all your open programs, putting the most memory-hungry ones right there at the top. And third, just find a program in that list you aren't actively using, select it, and then click End Task.
And just like that, boom, you've instantly freed up a huge chunk of your computer's working memory. See, this isn't some complicated tech wizardry. By simply closing what you don't actually need, you give your system the resources to run the things you do need. It makes everything faster and way more responsive immediately.
But wait, this isn't just a one-and-done fix. Let's turn this quick trick into a long-term habit that's going to keep your PC running at its absolute best. You know, this is really the difference between an average user and a pro. You know, the golden rule for a healthy PC is actually really simple, but it's so powerful. Just always close heavy programs you don't need. The system will be faster and smoother because of it. It's a simple little principle, but it has a massive impact.
And that's what we call the pro habit. It's the simple, conscious act of regularly checking your Task Manager and just shutting down those high-memory apps you've left running in the background. It only takes a few seconds, but it pays off big time in keeping your computer running like it's brand new.
All right, now it is your turn to put this into action. Go ahead, use that Control-Shift-Escape shortcut right now, click on that Memory column, and take a look. I'm really curious, which program is the biggest memory user on your machine at this very moment? Because knowing that, well, that's the first step to taking back control and enjoying a much, much faster PC.